Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, student? We continue our previous lesson, yeah. This is finished. This one is finished, yeah. Verb to pronounce used as the object a preposition. This one not yet, yeah. Host, okay. Yes, we gone. I might say that your previous work, the result is okay, yeah. Okay, so far so good. You have a good command of that thing. Okay, relative pronouns used as the object or preposition. Kita udah bahas tentang objek ya. Whom. Where is it? Yeah, whom. For people who act as the object. Ya. Di sini kata kerjanya I met him, ya. Apalagi? Okay, he bought the book. Ini kata kerjanya butuh satu objek saja, gitu ya. Di sini kita bahas di bawah. Kata kerjanya tidak punya preposisi, ya, tidak punya preposisi. Yang ini ada kata kerja yang butuh preposisi. Itu bagaimana? Butuh preposisi. Relative pronoun used as the object of preposition. She is the woman I told you about her, gitu contohnya. Kalau yang di atas kan tidak pakai preposisi. Di sini ada pakai preposisi. Kalau ketemu dengan kata kerja yang pakai preposisi, itu bagaimana caranya menggabungkan kalimat dua kalimat ini, contohnya seperti itu. She is the woman I told you about her, gitu ya. Jadi menggabungkannya adalah lihat lagi di sini ke kalimat dua sebagai objek, ya. Jadi whom, ya, gitu. Letakkan ke depan ini, ya, whom. Okay. Bisa dimulai dengan preposisinya dulu, ya. She is the woman. Okay. She is the woman whom. Ini kan objek, ya. Whom. Lihat kursor ini, whom I told you about. Boleh begitu. Jadi ini dia. She is the woman whom I told you about. Di bawah, di akhir, gitu ya. Di akhir dia about-nya. Bisa juga dengan alternatif yang kedua begini, ya. About dulu kita sebutkan. About whom. She is the woman about whom I told you. Jangan usah pakai about lagi, ya. Jadi she is the woman about whom I told you. Boleh seperti itu. Sekali lagi. She is the woman whom I told you about, atau she is the woman, preposisi dulu disebutkan, about whom I told you. Paham? Paham, ya? Oke, seperti itu. Yang ini bisa diganti dengan that, ya. Whom-nya bisa diganti dengan that, ya. Tapi kalau about that I told you about, nggak usah. Jadi that I told you about aja, atau dibuang saja boleh. Dalam percakapan biasanya dibuang. She is the woman I told you about, nah, gitu, ya. She is the woman I told you about. Kalau tulisan boleh begini. She is the woman about whom I told you, atau she is the woman whom I told you about. Kita gunakan pakai which gimana? The music was dangdut. Okay, this is just an example, ya, just an example, right? The music was dangdut. We listened to it last night. Okay, we listened to it last night. The music was dangdut. We listened to it last night. Okay. It preposisinya apa? To. Kata kerjanya listen. Okay. Jadi it becomes, ya. Okay. Jadi to which, kalau dibaca dari to, kalau dibaca dari which, jadi which we listen, which, ya, ingat ini berubah jadi which, letak ke depan. Okay, bacanya setelah the music which we listened to last night was dangdut. This is just an example, okay? Okay. Or okay, to which we listened last night was dangdut. Okay. The music to which we listened last night was dangdut. Okay. Seperti itu. Okay. The music to which we listened last night was dangdut, atau the music which we listened to. Di sini to-nya was dangdut. Kalau ada dua, bisa diganti dengan that atau dihilangkan saja. Tapi untuk sekarang itu fokusnya ke sini aja lah dulu ya, yang dua ini. Oke. Ini aja dulu fokusnya, bisa merubah ke mari sudah oke. Nanti kalau sudah bisa kemari gampang sendiri ya. Jadi ini juga fokusnya kita harus bisa di sini aja dulu fokusnya ya, paham di sini aja. Oke. Combine the sentences using the second sentence as an adjective clause. Okay. The movie was interesting. We went to it. Ini apa ini? Preposisi lagi. Jadi ini ganti dengan which ya. Which we went to, gitu kan? Atau to which apa? To which we went. Tinggal cara bacanya. Kemana it merujuknya? The movie, kan gitu aja caranya. Jadi the movie, baca ini jadi apa? Which ya. The movie which we went to, terus was interesting. Atau yang kedua, the movie, dari sini bacanya to apa? To which we went was interesting. Gitu kan? Number 2. The woman pays me a fair salary. I work for her. Her siapa? The woman. Bacanya nanti setelah the woman. Ini minggir dulu, gitu kan? Kita baca dari her dulu ya. Her jadi apa? Karena objek jadi apa? Jadi whom kan? Oke. Whom I work for. Kan gitu? Whom I work for. Oke? Alright. Whom I work for, atau yang kedua alternatifnya nanti dari preposisi dulu. For whom I work. For whom I work. Okay. Jadi the woman, kita dari whom dulu lah ya. The woman whom I work for, gitu kan, pays me a fair salary. The woman for, dari for, the woman for whom I work, gitu kan, pays me a fair salary. Understand ya? Number 3, the man is over there. I told you about him. The man is over there. I told you about him. Him jadi whom. About preposisi. Oke, ini dulu kita rubah. Whom I told you about. Whom I told you about. Atau nanti alternatif kedua, about dulu dibaca. About whom I told you. Yang pertama tadi apa? Whom I told you about, dibaca setelah that. Enggak, karena the man kan yang dibicarakan. Jadi the man, terus whom I told you about is over there. Okay. Atau the man dari about ya. The man about whom I told you is over there. Okay. Number 4. I want to tell you about the party. I went to eat last night. Party. Eat. Mana eat? Party. Berarti setelah ini bacanya kan? Preposisinya mana? To. Ini dulu kita rubah. Which. Karena dia bukan manusia. Which I went to last night. Catat ya. Which I went to last night. Atau cara baca keduanya. To which I went last night. To which I went last night. Okay. Tadi yang pertama apa? Which I went to last night. Dibaca setelah party. Ayo kita baca. I went to tell you about the party which I went to last night. Paham ya? Oke. Sekarang dari to. Oke. To which I went last night. Ya, to which I went last night. Dibaca setelah party. I want to tell you about the party to which I went last night. Paham ya? Okay. Number 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8 comes your assignment. Ya, menjadi assignment. Jadi PR. Paham ya? Ini nomor 5 agak hati-hati dikit ya nanti ya, nomor 5. Jadi 5, 6, 7, 8 your assignment. Okay, give a screenshot. Ready? Okay. Now we go here. Using where. Menggunakan where ya dalam adjective clause ini. Where the building is very old ya, he lives there. Sebenarnya bukan adjective clause ya, verb clause sebenarnya, tapi no problem, kita pahami saja dulu bentuknya, later we talk about that. The building is very old, he lives there. There itu di mana? In that building. Ini cara memahaminya saja ya. The building is very old, he lives there. Di mana there? In that building. Kan gitu? Oke. Lihat. The building where he lives is very old. There berubah jadi apa? There berubah jadi apa? Jadi where. Ya. There berubah jadi where. In that building. Paham maksudnya? Ya. The building where he lives, itu ya. Where he lives. Oke. Where, there jadi where he lives, paham, is very old, gitu dia. Karena kan he lives merujuk there kemana? In that building, gitu dia. Bisa juga dengan in which, karena he lives there di mana? In that building. Jadi the building di mana dia tinggal is very old, paham? Okay. The building in which, karena pakai in kan, he lives there in that building. Okay, he lives in that building menjadi in which there. Jadi in which ke building ya. The building in which he lives is very old. Paham? Okay. Kemudian bagian B-nya bisa begini, bentuk which-nya, in-nya di belakang kayak yang tadi juga. Ini alternatif saja. Ini nggak usah dilihat dulu yang ini, ya, dan yang ini nggak usah. Fokusnya ke ini dan ini, tiga ini aja dulu. Jadi kalau bagus di sini sudah oke ya. Oke, where, in which dengan which di ujungnya in. The building which dulu diambil which-nya, which he lives in. Kok bisa pakai in? Karena in that building ya, in is very old ya. Where digunakan dalam adjective clause to modify a place. Okay. If where is used, the preposition is not included in the adjective clause. Yeah. If where is not used, the preposition must be included. No problem. Okay, B. Kita bahas soal aja nih. Okay. Directions. Combine the sentences using the second sentence as an adjective clause. Okay. The city was beautiful. We spent our vacation there. There di mana? Di city kan? Nah, gitu caranya ya. Kota itu sangat cantik. Oke, setinggalkan 2 ya, jadi PR ya. The town is small, I grew up there. 3 dan 4 ya, kita bahas 1, 2 ya. Oke. The city was beautiful. We spent our vacation there. There itu di mana? Di city. Di mananya? In that city. Kan gitu, di kota itu. Di sana di mana? Di kota itu. Dia merujuk ke city-nya ini ya. We spent our vacation there in that, pakai in ya, in that city. Oke, jadi nanti pakai which ini, in which. Nah, digantilah that city jadi which. Dibaca setelah the city nanti kan gitu ya. Oke. The city was beautiful, we spent our vacation there. The city, dia jadi apa tadi? Dia jadi apa? Jadi apa? Jadi where. The city there jadi where ya. Jadi the city where, dia jadi where we spent our vacation, baru apa? Was beautiful. Paham? Oke. Kemudian pakai in dengan cara ini. Jadi in which ya, in-nya diambil, which-nya jadi ini jadi which. Jadi the city in, ini jadi apa? Which kan? The city in which we spent, kan gitu? Our vacation, jangan pakai there lagi. Ya, kan jadi ini udah. In which, di mana kami habiskan vakansi kami. In which we spent our vacation was beautiful. Once again, the city in which we spent our vacation was apa? Beautiful. Paham ya? Number 2. That's the restaurant. That is the restaurant. Okay, I will meet you there. There ingat jadi apa? Where. Cuman where-nya di mana? Kalau restaurant kan pakai at. at the restaurant, kan gitu, at the hospital. Jadi di sini pakai at, nanti at-nya digunakan. Jadi tak lagi nanti ini jadi in which. Jadi apa? Ini kan jadi which, jadi at which, kan gitu kan? Kalau laci nanti jadi apa? In which, kota, in town, gitu kan? In which, okay. At the restaurant, okay. That's the restaurant. Jadi merujuknya kan ke restoran sama restoran. Jadi nanti sebacanya setelah ini. That's the restaurant. Okay, I will meet you there. There jadi apa tadi? Where, ya kan? There di atas jadi where. Jadi where nih. Where-nya ke sini. That's the restaurant where I will meet you. Paham kan? That is the restaurant where I will meet you. Sekarang kita pakai which. Okay. That's the restaurant at, kan gitu kan, at which I will meet you, at which I will meet you. Kalau dipisah seperti ini nanti which dengan in jadi which sama at kan dipisah. Oke. That is the restaurant which duluan, at-nya nanti di ujung ya, which diambil dulu, which I will meet you, baru apa? At di ujung, gitu dia. That is the restaurant which I will meet you at, gitu dia. Nah, kalau pandai membuat seperti ini, kalau kita piawai ya, we are good at this one, nanti tulisan kita sangat bervariasi, bagus ya. Jadi tulisan kita sangat bagus. Kalau kita buat tulisan jadi bagus karena banyak variasi yang sudah kita kuasai, gitu ya. Oke, itu penggunaan apa tadi? Where ya. Jadi PR-nya 3 dan 4. The town is small, I grew up there. Okay, that's the draw. Bacanya draw gitu aja ya, jangan ada weh-nya ya, gitu cepat. That's the draw, I keep my jewelry there. PR-nya tadi apa aja nih? Saya tadi lupa. Oh ya, dari 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kemudian ini ya, 3 dan 4 bagian W. Oke, itu aja. That is it for now. Okay, do the assignment. If it is finished, you can text me by WhatsApp. Okay, via WhatsApp. See you, bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.